Ikaw na binabaha ngayong araw, ikaw ay isang limitless.
Good morning! And Global Group of Companies! Happy 90th Anniversary!
Walang hahadlang sa'yo! Ikaw at ikaw lang ang pwedeng humadlang sa pangarap mo! Pero pag inisip mo, pag isinapuso mo, kaya mo ang lahat! Oo! Kaya mo nga ang lahat! Isa kang limitless! Tayong lahat, ngayong araw, limitless!
Today, we celebrate 19 years of strong growth, outstanding sales, meaningful health impact, and strong partnerships between AIM Global, Natural Life Asia, and Nature's Way.
Maraming salamat, AGG. Maraming salamat for giving me that life. Talagang nasabi ko na grabe yung buhay na nabigay ng Alliance in Motion Global. Buti na lang, I started 15 years ago.
Pwede rin siyang ituring na wings. Because with this swoosh, you are now ready to transform and fly. Pwede kang lumipad sa mga pangarap mo. Ano man yung pangarap mo, pwede mong liparin.
As we head towards 20 years anniversary, it's not about finishing the journey. It's about taking everything that you have built to the next level. Stronger partnerships, greater momentum, and even more lives to touch.
Salamat for bringing Alliance in Motion Global sa Palawan. If not because of you, walang mga batang katulad namin na mangangarap at maniniwala sa sarili. Lahat ng mga pangarap ng yon nagkatotoo dahil we are here in a very great and stable company that I'm very grateful.
This is one of the most prestigious awards in our company, but you guys earned my deepest respect. Kaya sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, ituloy-tuloy mo lang yung mga pangarap mo. And I want you to feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. Ramdamin mo ang pitik ng pusong yan. Ano ang sinasabi ng mga pitik na yan? Pumipitik yan dahil buhay na buhay ang pangarap mo! Pumipitik yan dahil excited ka sa first million mo! Dahil excited ka sa first car mo. Dahil excited ka sa dream house mo. At Look around the people, the person around you. Kasi yung taong yan yung tutulong sa'yo, kami. Tayong lahat ang tutulong sa'yo para maabot lahat ng mga pangarap mo. At sa paglabas natin, maraming magtatanong sa atin, ano ang kumpanya mo? With pride and joy, we will answer them. My company is AIM Global Group of Companies, where I am not as molded to succeed.
Yesterday's event was so successful. It is because of all of you. Dahil sa inyo na nag-invite, nagdala ng mga tao, because of the belief, because of the trust, and because of the commitment, and of course, the happy heart that we have tayong lahat kahapon. Kaya gustong-gusto nating mabitbit lahat ng kasama natin.
Hi, we're here at Solaire North in Quezon City to celebrate AIM Global Group of Companies' 19 years of success. Joining us in this momentous event are our top 300 of the company. What are you waiting for? Let's get it on!
Ibang-iba.
Yes.
Pinago. 360 degrees.
Hindi lang buhay mo ang natutulungan na maiangat. Buhay ng ibang tao, different walks of life.
Nakikita mo ba na gagawin mo pa to for the next 19 years?
Yes, next 90 years, ito pa rin gagawin ko. And I think I can do even 100 pa. Kasi yung company natin mukhang longer pa to.
Nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko na mag-stay ako hanggat sa pagtanda, hanggat nandyan yung AGG, mag-stay tayo dyan. Yes naman, kasi nakikita ko kasi sa mga mentor ko, talagang nagbago ang buhay nila and nakikita ko din sa sarili ko na ako na din yung next.
Lagi nga namin sinasabi na we are contented kung ano yung mga blessing na binigay sa amin, but we are not complacent. We are not complacent kasi ang dami pa namin nakikita mga bata na nangangarap na gusto rin matupad yung mga pangarap nila at maging katulad din namin.
Hindi ko ma-imagine talaga kasi first time ko makasama sa ganitong event. First time kong makahalubilo sa mga mayayaman na tao.
Napaka-proud ko sa company ito kasi bakit dito ko po na-experience talaga yung hindi ko na-experience sa labas. Kaya wala na akong masasabi pa. AGG Company, you're the best.
Yeah.
Ngayon nakikita ko na parang in the next few months and years, ang gigil namin nagdoble, nag-triple ngayon.
19 years with the company that for me, tamang-tama yung naging team natin which is Limitless kasi we're breaking boundaries. Talagang pinapakita natin that we are the #1 network marketing company here in the Philippines and even abroad.
Sobrang thankful ako, grateful ako kasi kung wala ang AGG, kung wala ang AGG sa buhay namin, hindi ganito kaganda at kakomportable ang buhay namin.
I can see na magdo-dominate talaga yung AGG hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo.
Years from now, madami pang matutulungan na mga tao na from ordinary people turn into extraordinary millionaires. Kung ikaw hindi ka pa member nito, sumabay ka para ikaw na rin yung sunod na babaguhin buhay ng AGG.
I believe we still have a lot more to do. We are just getting started. We are celebrating 19 years. I know it is just the beginning. Personally, I am 10 years in the business, but I feel like I am just getting started.
We are limitless because AGG believes in your dreams. And your dreams are boundless. And your desire to build a future has no limits. And the potential for your growth knows no boundaries. Yan yung bagay na hindi kayang kunin ng kahit sino sa inyo. Tatandaan niyo yan. I just want to say that we believe in you. We believe that you are strong. We believe that each of you has the power. You have what it takes para makamit mo yung anong pangarap mo. And AGG will not be here. AGG will not be AGG if not for each and every one of you. And I thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy 1990!